very remote friendly, so it allowed for great work-life balance. And that was something that I was really looking for. Someplace that would challenge me from an engineering perspective, but also allow me to actually log off and go do family things.
There's a lot of fatigue that can come from working remotely with people, Zoom fatigue, things like that.
We are doing even one-on-ones in meetings, like me and my manager. We would do walking one-on-one. So we won't be like, hey, listen, we've been staring at the computer all day. We've been sitting in our desks. Why don't we just walk and take our one-on-ones and talk?
And so I think that's really good. They see their leadership actually saying, hey, I'm offline, I'm with family every day at 5 p.m. That speaks volumes, just seeing executives do that, right?
You can stay at home a few days a week if you need to go run errands or have an appointment. If you have to go, take care of life, everybody's really understanding here.
Challenging, but yet having fun while we do it. So we always just talk about just bring on the fun.
And that's not something you see at a lot of places. It might be spoken, but the actions are different.
Those kinds of small things make big impact overall, right? Where you can just be yourself. You can be your authentic self.